Research shows autistic children are especially vulnerable to struggling with secondary school transition, but the evidence is clear on what helps. In this video, what makes transition harder, what genuinely helps, and the positive side of this move that rarely gets talked about. Autism doesn't make a child less capable. Research shows autistic children are more vulnerable here, mainly due to challenges managing change itself. The social landscape gets much harder, a bigger, less predictable peer group, with pupils often struggling to gain acceptance among new classmates. Academic demands jump too. Multiple teachers, more subjects, more independent organizing, and often less built-in individual support than primary school gave. The environment itself becomes less predictable. More noise, more movement, less of the contained structure a single classroom used to offer. Here's what matters most. The strongest predictor of a good or difficult transition isn't the diagnosis at all, it's communication. Individualized planning, timely school place decisions, and early orientation meetings help enormously. Poor communication and late decisions are the clearest barriers. Parents' own knowledge of their child should shape the transition plan directly, not be gathered as an afterthought. Start early, from the beginning of year 6. Schools must share information at least 6 months ahead. Ask for this directly. Ask for extended, quieter visits to the new school, beyond the one standard induction day everyone gets. Build a transition plan and a simple, one-page passport, handed directly to the people who will actually teach your child. Use visual supports, a social story, a photo book of the school, a map of safe spaces, and a visual countdown calendar. Practice the logistics too, the journey, the uniform, packing a bag. Soften new uniform fabric early if sensory sensitivities are a factor. Here's what's often missed. Many autistic children genuinely value things about secondary school: movement breaks, a real safe space, more structure. A bigger, more varied peer group can even be a relief for a child who found a small, fixed class socially difficult. Transition is a genuine pressure point, but it isn't fixed. Early planning and real communication change the outcome completely. Follow along for more support on autism and school transitions, and share this with a parent who needs it.